Hello, good morning to everyone. Today in this video I'll tell you how you can use this BLDC remote controller fans. See, this is the Orient electric BLDC fan. This is the Canstar fan and this is the Polycab fan. Okay, I have shown you 3 remote controllers and 3 ceiling fans. Yeah, these 3 are the respective remote controllers, BLDC remote controllers for all the 3 ceiling fans what I have just shown you. So this is a beginner guide sort of video for the people who are using this BLDC fans for the first time. See here, Orient Electric, and this is the Canstar and this is Polycab. First of all, make sure all the remotes have the batteries installed. First of all, this need two AAA batteries. Okay, yeah, just now I inserted the batteries. So the first thing you need to do is, before operating any electric BLDC fan, the power switch should be turned on. See, this is the power switch for this Orient electric BLDC fan. See, this remote is different. If I press the speed button, it won't work. Only it will work once I click on the on button, then only it will start function within the speed changes or the timer or the LED bulb or even for the boost. This fan doesn't have any what is this, reverse option. Okay, I'll be decreasing the speed, and to turn off only this button. Okay, or else one more scenario also tell. When the fan is in on mode, if I directly switch off the power switch, sorry, this is the fan switch. Okay, sorry. See, without the remote operation also this got turned off. Now we'll see the scenario. I'll be keeping the remote aside and I'll be directly switching on the power button. Now let us check whether it will automatically turn on or we need to use the remote. Now I am not using the remote. Okay, so it is directly turning on just like the normal fan. So if I switch it off, it is off, it is getting turned off. If I switch the power button on, it is just acting like the normal power button. So one more scenario I'll be testing here. See, now I'll be switching this on. Okay, now as the last time it is turned on, it is just rotating. Now I'll be turning it off. So with the remote I turned it off. Okay, now the fan is not functioning. Now I'll be switching this off and again I'm switching it on, so it won't work. So now this time, until and unless I use this power button on, it won't work. Now going to the Canstar, this would be somewhat different operation. Coming to the Canstar remote, on and off is same button. See here, this on separate, off separate. So on and off same button, and for reverse also same single button. But for Polycab, reverse is a separate option and forward is a separate option. To make fan rotate in the reverse, I need to press this one. To rotate the fan in the normal direction, I need to click on this forward. Okay, let us operate this Canstar. Make sure you need to turn on the fan switch first. See here, without the remote this is getting operated because last time it is just turned on. So I'll be just turning it off. Here there is no LED indicator, but it got turned off. So as I just clicked on this power off button, and the speeds and everything are very similar, so I'm just moving out to the Polycab one. Yeah, see here, the Polycab one also I just make the fan switch turn down only, and with the remote for this fan this is different. Without using this power button, I'm just pressing any speed. If I press any speed also, this remote is working, means this fan is getting rotated. No need to compulsorily turn on, but to turn off compulsory I should use this power off. So slightly different fan. And one more thing, there are dedicated reverse and sleep and forward and reverse option. The sleep is a different option. If I keep press the sleep, for every hour the speed will be decreased. Say for example at 10 p.m. you have 6 speed and you press sleep, for every hour it will come to 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'll be just turning on with the direct speed and I'll be pressing on this reverse option. For every remote operation there is a beep sound, which is a good thing in this fan. See here, it is start rotating in the reverse direction. So in order to get the proper direction, I need to just press forward. See here, this forward. So this is the basic operation for the beginners who are using BLDC fans for the first time. That's the reason I have chosen 3 fans to demonstrate you. If you feel this tutorial is helpful to you, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. If you want review videos of all these fans, please do check in the description.